Welcome back. In the last part of this series, we have created a PDF viewer based on Pdfium. In this part, we will work on the necessary toolbar items required for opening and working on the PDF files. ToolStrip will contain buttons to open and print PDF files as well as to rotate pages on left or right side. In addition, we will implement code for page navigation like to move to first page, last page, next page, and previous page, as well as to adjust page sizes of the open PDF file like fit width, fit height, fit best, and to set zoom level to 80% of the screen size using slide bar as well buttons. Additionally, in the toolbar, we will add buttons to merge, split, rotate, and delete pages from PDF files. However, to keep this session short and interesting, we will implement these features relating to PDF editing in a separate part. Let us first hide this caption bar to make the ribbon take less space on the screen. Just turn this flag false from the ribbon properties. Also, for the time being, let's also make this entire ribbon and the top panel invisible so that we can focus only on the implementation of the toolbar. Let's now go through sections of the code which have been written to implement different features. I will share these codes in the description box of this video. You can copy the code from the description box. This part of the code implements the drag and drop functionality so that the user can simply drag the PDF file to be opened on this PDF editor like this. This feature really provides a lot of the convenience to the user to instantly open PDF files. This provides the user the ability to quickly navigate to different pages of this PDF file, like to go the first and last page, as well as to navigate to previous or next page of the PDF. This part of the code deals with building of the toolstrip, which contains various buttons like open, print, page rotation buttons, zoom buttons, and page navigation buttons. These buttons take care of the adjustment of the page size of the open PDF file. From here, you can adjust the width or height of the open PDF file like fit width, fit height, or to keep the open PDF file at 80% of the screen size. These are buttons by which you can increase or decrease the zoom level, and a slider for this purpose is also given. These functions like merge PDF, split, and delete PDF pages will be implemented separately in the upcoming parts of this series. If you have any doubts regarding any part of the code, please raise your concern in the comments, and I will try to address the issues. In addition, if you want any other feature to be implemented in the toolbar, do comment in the comment section. Do subscribe and share.